In this video, I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of the illegal raid and a wrongful arrest of Reverend Dr. Malachi K, York. But first, I would like to point out something that you may want to know as a concerned American citizen dealing with the violation of laws by those who have sworn under oath to uphold the law. Did you know that a man by the name of Judge Charles Ashley Royal violated federal law by opening up a court to convict Dr. Malachi K, York on Martin Luther King Jr.'s federal holiday? According to the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure, Section 9, Subsection C, General Provisions, Rule 56, a court may provide by local rule or order that its clerk's office will be open for specified hours on Saturdays or legal holidays other than these federal holidays: Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, Washington's birthday, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Columbus Day, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas Day. So this tells me that this federal offender just set a precedence to violate federal law as well as your rights with the swipe of a pen. Never in U.S. history has there been such a blatant disrespect for the law, and adding insult to injury, the holiday violated was that of a humanitarian who gave his life pursuing civil equality among all people. This is a slap in the face to the legacy of Dr. King, but this is only one of many violations in this case. You can learn more about this severe violation of federal law as well as many other violations regarding the handling of this case at unwonline.com. On May 8th of 2002, Reverend Dr. Malachi K, York was arrested illegally under the name of Dwight York in the parking lot of a Kmart shopping center in Millersville, Georgia by FBI agents and over 100 law enforcement officers. While this was taking place, law enforcement officers from Putnam County, Baldwin County, Columbus County, and Jones County, with agents from the Department of Natural Resources, FBI, and U.S. Forestry, illegally raided the 404 Shady Dale Road property in Eatonton, Georgia, with around 400 heavily armed foot soldiers. Sheriff Howard Richard Sills of Putnam County once again gave false information to the FBI that the church was stockpiling weapons and were dangerous. However, he failed to mention to them that over the last 10 years, the GBI, FBI, and Putnam County Sheriff's Department have raided the property over 4 times and found no weapons or evidence of criminal activity. Sheriff Howard Richard Sills failed to mention that on 2 of these occasions. Reverend Dr. Malachi K. York was then taken to GBI and FBI headquarters to be questioned and was given a lie detector test to see if he was involved in any terroristic activities. The test results confirmed that he was not involved in any terroristic activities. These GBI agents even came back to the land after seeing that Dr. Malachi K. York was cooperative and willing to assist them in their investigation. These agents returned to the property on numerous occasions to fish on the lakes of the church property. Dr. Malachi York has even aided them in finding persons that were suspected to be affiliated with the church by transferring any and all information that was filed on the suspects and were given to the agents to further their investigation. Yet and still, after his unlawful arrest on May 8, 2002, Reverend Dr. York was held in federal custody on 4 counts of transporting minors across state lines for indecent purposes. Even though at the time of his arrest and to this day these charges are based purely on allegation, no physical evidence or supposed victims who were minors that were illegally transported by Reverend Dr. Malachi K, York testified at his trial, or at all for that matter. Dr. Malachi K, York was brutally and wrongfully arrested on May 8th of 2002 and has been wrongfully incarcerated and tortured for over 8 years going into the 9th, and he must be freed immediately and returned to his homeland in Takoradi, Ghana in West Africa. For more information on how you can assist with this case, please visit unwonline.com.